With exquisite design and unique style, traditional Tibetan clothing is deemed as an important part in the Tibetan culture. Tibetan clothes and ornaments made it onto the list of China's National Intangible Cultural Heritage in 2008. In Gannan Tibetan Autonomous Prefecture, northwest China's Gansu province, a group of Generation Z Tibetan girls have established a local fashion brand, endeavoring to design modern Tibetan clothing with fashionable elements. In their eyes, the traditional culture is becoming a new trend.
从整个藏族服饰的一个发展的情况来看的话，过去你看到的是裁缝师老的这些工艺匠人，然后去做一些很传统的衣服，然后可能是在节假日去穿。那么现在有很多的年轻人参与到这个里面，去做创新，去做一些更国际化的品牌出来，所以就是对整个藏族服饰的推广也好，整个这个产业的发展也好，是特别有利的。